Equals, are you dealing with a Thermomix TM5 that won't start at all? We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The problem usually arises due to a faulty closure system or a malfunctioning handle. This can prevent your Thermomix from powering up. Rest assured, our skilled technicians will pinpoint the issue and replace the faulty parts, getting your device back in working order. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.